Hello everybody, it's Amanda from Scrimpingmommy.co.uk. Today I'm going to come and I'm going to show you some of the lovely new ribbons. I do product shares when any catalogue comes out. It's a great way of getting a small amount of everything, and I'm cutting up my ribbon shares today. So I thought, since I'm opening them, I'd come on and let you have a closer look, because sometimes you can't always tell by looking at a picture. Now, my ribbon share, I think, has 32 different ones. I haven't used all of them, because some of these are carried over. And I'm not cutting up metallic thread, and I'm not cutting up baker's twine. Life's way too short for that. And the leaf one wasn't available. It was on, I think it was one of the items that was stuck in customs, or there was a problem with it or something, so that isn't in it, but everything else is. So just thought I'd share. Now, if you want a ribbon share, I'm opening up a second phase. I've already done one and filled all the spots, and I've got, I think I've got 3 more ladies waiting for me to do a second one. So if you would like to join a paper share and you're within one of the countries that I can serve, my ribbon shares, did I say paper shares? I mean ribbon shares, are £19, and that includes postage. Okay, look at this, OMG. This is the, what's it called? Mini ruffled ribbon, and this colour is, what colour is this? I think it's that new pinkish colour. I don't know, do you know what I mean? Let's have a look. Powder pink, there we go. So just look at that. How pretty. It's really dainty. You could put another skinnier ribbon down the centre of that if you wanted, but you wrap that around anything and it's going to look beautiful. And it does come in all of the colours. So these are the old in colours. Okay, so you've got Berry Burst, you've got Fresh Fig, Lemon Lime Twist, Tranquil Tide and Powder Pink. And you're getting 9.1 metres on there. Now, I'd cut my ribbon shares in yards, because if you cut it to yards, you get 10. From a 9.1 metre reel, you'd get 10. So it just reduces that cost for people a right little bit. And the difference between a metre and a yard is so small. You know, ladies don't notice it, but they notice the slightly smaller cost, because obviously I divide the cost by 10. So that's that one. And then we have, this is a beautiful new one. I've not opened any of them yet. So bear with me, but I will show you them all if you care to take time and watch, and then you can either join a ribbon share, or you can pick and choose your favourites from the catalogue, which I've got open here, to page 200 to 201. This is the polka dot tulle ribbon. Now, I've only ordered it in the Whisper White. I didn't order it in both colours. Again, the idea being to keep costs down for customers. You know, you don't need everything in 50 colours. You know, white goes with everything. And that is really, really lovely and really pretty. And that'll make pretty bows, all sorts. Beautiful. That is lovely. And that is actually in yards already. Some are in metres, some are in yards. So I cut everything to yards, and then I know it's gonna be enough. And then we've got the skinny in colour ribbons. I've bought lots of these, as well as having these in the ribbon share. I'm actually gifting an extra yard each of these to all my customers who purchase in the month of May. No, June. Forgot what month I were in then. So that's that one. Where's the rest? There should be some more here. There's the blue one. And there should be a yellow one. There we go. So those are all the 5 new in colours there. Okay. And then I did get this one, which is this here cord. 1/8 of an inch cord. It's quite bizarre stuff. But it's really, really nice. It's got a bit of a glimmer to it, and it looks like it's plaited. Does it stretch? No. Let's have a look what what the consistency of it is. I don't know, it's just bizarre. It's lovely. It has got a slight gloss to it. So that's like a black cord. I don't know if you can see that adequately, but that is really lovely. And so that's very different. I've not had anything like that before. And before I joined Stampin' Up, I did used to sell lace and trims and ribbons and stuff, and I've not seen anything like that before. That's new to me. We've got the Share What You Love, the velvet ribbon, which I'm absolutely in love with. It's stunning. I have heaps of it because I hoarded it. And I bought it for my team retreat and they didn't use it all, so I've got loads of this, and I just think it's beautiful. It's very, very, very elegantly pretty, and it's so soft. That is absolutely beautiful. So that is, where is it? There we go. Velvet ribbon. Now the colour there in the catalogue, I will say, looks much pinker. It's a much more of a it's a more of a dusky pink than what's in the catalogue. It's beautiful. So that's that one. What's that one? Is that solid ribbon? This is a red one. There's quite a few red ones. I think it's this one down at the bottom. And this is real red. I think the red ones must be super popular because there's a few. But also we do have, obviously, crafters who create very early for Christmas, so you know you've got your lovely red. That is beautiful. So the Skinny In colour ones, that is lovely lipstick and that is real red, and the difference there is quite significant. So that's another really pretty one. What else have we got? Tea Room. Ooh, no, it's not Tea Room, this one. This one is the combo pack, metallic ribbon combo pack. This is really good value because you're getting two different ones in your money, and they've got like a metallic shimmer to them. Let's get them open and have a look. Oh, that's pretty. So I hope you can see that. You probably can't see that metallic shimmer. It has got a very, very subtle shimmer to it. The light's terrible because even though I've got lovely windows in my craft room, it's like the end of the world today in Yorkshire. I don't know who's broken the sun, but we've had glorious weather for days and days and days, and now it's like the end is nigh outside. It's awful. It's windy. I wouldn't say it's cold, but can I open this ribbon? No, I can't open it. Stop the video, can't open it. Hold on a minute. Come on, you slippery little sucker. Oh, dear me. Maybe I should have opened all of these before I started, but then, you know, I like to make life difficult for myself. Right, I'm bored of that now, can't open that one. We've got the stitched ribbon. Now, we did have this before, but it was really popular, so I did order that one in, and we've got it in the yellow and we've got it in the red. So let's have a look what exactly it is. So it's Daffodil Delight and Cherry Cobbler are the exact colours there. Okay, so what we have, oh, this is a gold cob. This is new. Let's hope I can open this one. Let me get my pokey tool out. My smallest scissors. There we go. Okay. There we go. Come on, you slippery little sucker. Don't want to cut the actual stuff. Right. So look. Now that is lovely. I really like that. So this is the cord, the same as the black one that I've just shown you. It's here, but you can get it in black and in gold. Now that is really lovely. I really like that. I didn't realise that was so nice. See, this is why you need to see them up close, because the catalogue just doesn't do them any justice. Oops. So that's that one. And then I'm not going to open all of these. These are the new Nature's Twine. So in there you have got Blackberry Bliss. You've got Crumb Cake, Mint Macaron, and what's that one? Grapefruit Grove. Lovely. So you get quite a lot on there, so I've got to divide that up. That's going to be fun, but that's the only twine that I'm doing in my ribbon share, because life's way too short to be dividing up baker's twine. I haven't got time for that. I wasn't going to do a ribbon share because they are very time consuming, but my ladies and gents, I have some male customers now, I'm very, very honoured. You know, they wanted ribbon shares, so there you go. So this is the tea room one. It is beautiful, and the colours there are, if I remember right, Coastal Cabana, and it's copper, and this is very vanilla and copper. Okay, beautiful ribbon. This is another new one. I was quite excited to see this because I really like the neutral tones on it. So which one is it? Let me see if I can find it here. Where's it gone? It's this one here, textured weave ribbon. So this is the grey granite, which has been a very popular new colour with the demonstrators. That is lovely. I really like that, how it's like well, it is, it's a weave with a white band, but it's really nice. What's the width on that? That's 1/2 inch, so that's quite a significant, you know, it's not a skinny ribbon. That is lovely. I really like that. Really like that. So what we got here, that's another one of the dotty ones. We've seen that already. This one is the mini striped ribbon, which is here, and it's 1/4 inch, and this one is Bermuda Bay. I don't know if you can see the stripes. It's like Bermuda Bay with white stripes. It's lovely, really pretty. That's that one. What we've got here, so this more tea room, I don't know why I've got so much, oh, probably because you don't get as much on a roll. So this is another striped one, and this is Poppy Parade, which is super pretty. Lovely. And then, oh, let me open this because I like these new purple colours. I'm not really, although I've got purple on, I'm not normally a purple person. I'm a pink girl myself, but I'm loving these. In fact, that nearly matches my jumper. It nearly matches. That is gorgeous, and that is gorgeous grape. Lovely. And I do think that having ribbons just adds that little bit of something to your card making. That it's awesome as a quick closure for when you're making a box. Look at that beautiful green. That is a granite apple green. How fresh is that? That's beautiful. I really like that. Yeah, your ribbons are essential for really lovely embellishments on your card. We've got another red one here. This is this one, I think. Yes, 3/8 inch cotton ribbon, and it's again, it's in real red. So I have got a couple of real reds. For those ladies that like to start Christmas, you know, in January. Oh, that feels lovely. That's very nice. And the quality of these is really, really good. It's awesome. You get a lot. If you buy the reels, you get a lot. And in comparison to going to a haberdasher's these days, the prices are brilliant. They really are. So those are the ribbons. And if I've got time, because I'm also doing some paper shares today, I might come back and quickly show you as many papers as I can. So that is the ribbons and trims. I hope that's helpful. Sometimes I just think it's helpful to be able to see things firsthand. And I like to come on and just have a chatter sometimes without necessarily having a project. I'm going to go away now, and I've got to start and cut all of these up for my customers. So thanks for watching. Take care, and I will see you soon. Bye.